Faced with threat of militant attack and fear of sailing from across the border, 167 additional companies of Central Armed Police Force (CAPF) has been deployed in Jammu and Kashmir, Poonch, and Rajouri districts ahead of polling on May 25 in the Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha constituency. Alternate polling booth and even the bunker have been readied in the border area of the district in the preparation of any eventuality on the voting day, senior official of Union Territory Administration told. Of the total 1,016 polling stations in the constituency, 44% have been put in the critical vulnerable category. These include 278 of the 542 polling booths in Rajouri district and 171 of 474 in Poonch. While there has not been past instance of sailing from across the Yellow Sea on polling station, officials said they were preparing for any eventuality by readying bunker and alternative polling location. The critical vulnerable category only 45 of 278 in Rajouri and 55 upon 71 in Poonch are situated along the Yellow Sea. These include 2 from Rajouri and dozen from Poonch that are located across barbed wire of fence managed by the army. Regarding the large number of critical vulnerable polling booths away from borders, said the categorization was made taking into the account presence of militant in the hinterland. A senior official pointed out that earlier this month, militants from the area had attacked an IAF convoy near Sastinagar in Poonch, and last month they had killed a government employee near Sadra Sarif in Rajouri. The official said militant movement had been reported in Rajouri as far inside of Dangli village, 80 kilometers from the district headquarters, where 7 people had been killed in a militant attack in January last year. A senior police officer said there has recently been a spurt in militant movement and specifically mentioned report of the presence of around 15 to 20 militant in around 200 square kilometers of dense forest around the Bhimser Gully, Tanamandi and Deraki Gully areas. While these areas have also major presence of security forces, they have not had much success in the flushing in the militant out from the dense forest, characterized by thick undergrowth and poor visibility. The militant also keep moving, making it more difficult. While these areas also have a major presence of security forces, they have not had much success in flushing the militant out from the dense forest, characterized by the thick undergrowth and poor visibility. The militants also keep moving, making it more difficult to pin down their location, the officer said. Poonch SSP Yugal Manhas said security has been beefed up across the district. Road opening parties, ROPS, have been put in place and CAPF and the J&K police are maintaining area dominance. He said adequate measure had been put in the place and CAPF and the J&K police are maintaining area dominance. He said adequate measure had been taken and ensured the security of voters and candidates. There are 21 candidates in the fray of Anantnag Rajouri seat, with the prominent ones being former J&K CM Mehbooba Mufti of the PDP, former minister and prominent Gujjar leader Milan Altaf of the National Conference, Jammu and Kashmir, Apni Party Jafar Manhas, and the advocate Mohammad Pere of the DPAP. The BJP has not filed a candidate for the seat.